Hi everyone, this is Simply Just TV. Welcome to my channel about tips and tutorial about chords and solo, fingerstyle about lead, bass, and minimal. So stay tuned and enjoy watching. Hope you learn something. Pero bago yan, mag-intro muna tayo. Alright, let's go! Ganito kasi ang lead ng Thank You for Loving Me by Bon Jovi. Right, mga kasista? From 3rd string, 7th fret to 5th fret, then 7th fret, 2nd string, balik sa 5th fret, then 3rd fret. Then 1st string, 5th fret, slide, then balik sa 5th fret, 1st string, 2nd string, 7th fret, then 5th fret, 2nd string, then 3rd fret, 2nd string ulit. Dalawang beses mo itatap. Kaya ganito magiging resulta niya. Right mga boss? Ito ang first step. Second step naman ay balik tayo ulit dito sa 3rd string, 7th fret, 5th fret, 2nd string, pababa to 7th fret, balik sa 5th fret to from 5th fret to 3rd fret. Ayan boss. Then first string, 5th fret, slide mo sa 7th fret. Then from 7th fret, balik sa 5th fret. From 5th fret, akit ka dito sa 2nd string, 7th fret. 7th fret to 5th fret. 3rd fret, 3rd fret to 5th fret. Kaya ang kabuuan ng second step natin ay ganito. Yan mga boss. Yung first step natin ay ganito. Right? Tapos, isunod natin yung second step. Right? Pag pinagdugtong natin, boss, ng buo, ganito. Right? Mga kasista, yun po ang lead solo ng Thank You for Loving Me by Bon Jovi. Right, mga kasista? I hope mayroon kayong natutunan sa lead intro ng Bon Jovi. Right, mga kasista? Ang chords naman ito ay ganito. Sisimula tayo sa G. G. Na 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 D. Sunod. Na 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 G ulit. Na 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 D ulit. Na 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 B minor. Na 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 A. Tapos G, B, G, D, B minor, G, A, B, J, A. Tapos ang chorus naman boss ay ganito. D, thank you for loving me. G, eyes, for being my eyes. A, C, D, for putting my lips. B minor, when I couldn't breathe. E, A, breathe. Mga kasista. Thank you for loving me. D, G, A. Thank you for loving me. D, G, A. Thank you for loving me. Yan, mga kasista. Yan ang chords ng Thank You for Loving Me. Sa chorus part. Yung kanina, intro ng lyrics ng Thank You for Loving Me. Alright mga kasista, I hope mayroon kayo natutunan about the chords and lead solo ng kantang Thank You for Loving Me by Bon Jovi. Kung bago ka pa lang at napadaan sa aking channel, taos puso po akong nagpapasalamat sa inyong pag-subscribe, like, comment, and share. And pahit na rin ang notification bell to notify you always. Right mga kasista? Abangan nyo sa susunod, kakantahin na natin tong Thank You for Loving Me by Bon Jovi. So, stay tuned and keep in touch. Muli, nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong panonood. This is simply Jess TV na nagsasabing Jesus loves you. Till next time, mi amore.